I am getting ready for an event and I just want to do my makeup. I don't have anything in mind. I think I'm gonna keep it very light and how I usually do my makeup. But first, I'm gonna do my brows and I'm gonna have my favorite drink in the world, which is, ooh, bubbly. Ooh, this is in the mango flavor. It's great. And it's not even chilled. I am drinking it this way. I don't even care, but just love a fizzy drink. My face is already prepped, and what I like to do first is go in with a little bit of powder to set my brows, basically to remove any oil in my brows. Then I'm brushing my brows again, put them into place, preparing them basically for the shape I want. Currently, I am using this little beauty supply store pencil. If you follow me on my YouTube channel, you know I've been on a project pan and I'm trying to pan this brow pencil. I don't know if you're interested in seeing this. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. I feel like they're gonna look so big. That's where the concealer is gonna come in and fix this. I like to go in the front lightly. You know what I forgot? Putting some lip oil. Just a sec. I am using the Shop Miss A. I love Dew lip oil. This thing is good. It doesn't have any fragrance in it. And so hydrating. My brows are looking kind of crazy right now, but it's gonna be okay once I use concealer. I want to use this e.l.f. It's kind of similar like the, how's it called? Power Grip. Power Grip, but this is an old edition. I'm gonna use this first. I love how cooling it feels on the skin. I'm gonna let this dry or sink into my skin and then use another primer. I will use calamine lotion because this and the Nisamarek blurring balm are the only stuff that keeps my face very matte. I will clean up my brows using the Maybelline Superstay concealer. I like to put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to use this flat brush from Morphe. Zoom you in a little bit so you can follow. I like to drag it down and then I use my finger to tap in the product. I decided to use my Fenty Soft Matte Foundation mixed with the Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. I like mixing those because it's giving more soft matte. I'm also gonna mix in the Lumi Lotion by L'Oreal to make it a little bit more glowy. This is how my face is looking. You see how it looks a little bit dewy? That's the hydrating foundation mixed with the soft matte Fenty and the Glotion. First concealer I'm going to use that is close to my skin complexion is the Sephora collection Best Skin Ever. Packaging is different because it's coming from, this one is from Europe. I want to use these blushes from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna mix these two. I forgot how pigmented they were and they're affordable too. I am going to use the same, I don't know if it's a contour stick or bronzer stick from the Revolution line. Ooh, that's contour. It blends out to a natural finish, so it's not too pigmented. That's a good thing. I forgot about those. I'm going to use my Age Rewind concealer as a second concealer. Doing our makeup should be a therapeutic moment, but right now this is not what it is giving because I'm rushing. I'm gonna set my face. I'm using my Makeup Revolution banana powder, and this is again another product that is part of my project pan. I've been working on this for a couple of months, but I've discovered that this powder is actually good. Yeah, so don't sleep on Makeup Revolution powder. Look at this. Cannot tell me it doesn't look good. Setting everywhere where I put down concealer. I don't know if it's because I don't have a lot of light in front of me, but I feel like my makeup is looking good. I should be out of here in 15 minutes. I don't know if it's realistic. I want to set my base makeup. I will be using Maybelline Fit Me. This stuff will never let me down. Gonna saturate the brush with the bronzer and just go on my lids. I don't like when my eyelids are bare. I don't know. I'm gonna set my face with this little Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Everybody says this. Always do a test spray. Now. Okay, I'm done. I'm kind of 10 minutes over, but I'm going to use Maybelline Lifter liner. I forgot the name, the shade, the name of the, oh, never mind. Then I'm going to use this I Heart Revolution chocolate lip gloss. I don't know if they still sell these, but it's also in my project pan. And fire. So pigmented. I hope they still sell these. And to top it off, I like to use my Catrice gloss. This also, they don't sell these anymore, but just look. Do you see how high shine these glosses are? And they have a little bit of sparkle in them. So good, but they stopped selling them. So that's the finished look, guys. I'm out because I'm late. 10 minutes late, maybe even 15 minutes late, but at least I look good.